Hi, I'm Terry Thames. I'm an orthodontist from Carrollton, Texas. Today we're going to show you how to replace a lost orthodontic separator. Okay, to replace your separator, the first thing you're going to need is two pieces of floss about 10 to 12 inches in length. Take your separator between your thumb and forefinger, thread one piece of floss through the separator, almost like you're threading a needle. Then take the next piece of floss and thread it through. Pull it through about halfway. And then you're going to use those two pieces of floss to stretch your separator. Okay, so we're going to take our separator, stretch it with our two pieces of floss, and then you're just going to slide it back and forth and push down at the same time. And then once you feel it pop through the contact, like that, then the separator will stay in place, and then all you have to do is just pull your floss out on each side and you're done.